Hey, welcome back to Diamonds Living Lovely. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am doing a hair tutorial for you, so if you'd like to see this look, then please keep on watching. Boom, chicka, boom, boom. Look at those curls. Curls for the girls. All right, so here we're starting off with a freshly washed full head of hair. I just took off my little turban. Now I'm putting on my Mizani leave-in conditioner all over my head of hair. And I'm just going to make sure that's completely blended with everything. Want to make sure it's completely all over the head on every strand of hair. So I'm just going through and making sure that that leave-in conditioner is on every strand of my hair. And of course I have to do a little extra because I'm an extra kind of girl. Now here I've already sectioned my hair into 3 different sections, and that's the last section there. So now it's 4 sections, and of course I'm going to have my side part as always. And now I'm just going to take down one of the back sections and begin to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to use my favorite blow dryer, and all tools will be listed below. So don't worry if you don't catch the name in this video, because it will be listed below. Now I'm going to make sure my hair dryer is on hot and that it's in the on position and not and the cool button is not on. Make sure it's as hot as you can get it, because you want your hair as straight as possible. I prefer to have the blow dryer do most of the straightening job, and then my flat iron just kind of finish it up. So now what I'm doing is I'm just stretching my hair out as much as possible during this first part. I don't know why I don't have the directional nozzle on, but I am about to put it on as soon as I remember, very, very soon. And so in this next portion, you'll see me do that. But as of right now, I'm just going through and I'm drying that hair so that whenever I do go through with my paddle brush, as you see here, my favorite blow drying paddle brush, it will make it a lot easier to do so. So right now, I'm just hitting those ends. And now, finally got my directional. And now I'm actually going within, I'm so tongue-tied. My daughter's trying to get in the room while I'm doing my voiceover. So sorry. Just all kinds of stuff going on up in here. Well, anyways, I finally got my directional nozzle on with my paddle brush, and now we are on the ball. We are doing the thing, and the bang, and the shang. And we're going to do the do and shoot a shoe and the boo the boo. All right. And we're just getting it as straight as possible, as I said earlier, before we go in with our flat iron. And you know what? Take your time on this part. Do it the best you can, because you can't do it twice. You got to get it the first time, girl. Because once you straightened it, that's it. So go ahead. Yep, now making sure it's to my liking. Moving on, I'm going to go do the rest of my hair. And now in this scene, I am completely finished. And now I like to just go back in with the comb nozzle that came with my blow dryer and just hit the head one more time to make sure it is as silky and as straight as it possibly can be. Now, of course, you want to do a little cold shot at the end and that's just to seal the cuticle and make sure to seal in all that moisture and luxuriousness. And of course, you know, I have to have a little fun. But now I have sectioned my hair again in 4 big sections, and I'm going to commence straightening my hair with my rat tail comb and my favorite flat iron and my Thermal Wonder spray. And that is just a thermal protectant that I'm going to spray on the entire section, and I will go section by section until my head is completely done. So now I'm just combing through, making sure that that product is evenly distributed all over that section. And now I'm taking my flat iron on 410 degrees because I have pretty thick hair. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to section it off again. I'm just going to take the smallest section that I can do and pin everything else up. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to take my, and now this is my straightening brush. It has boar bristles on both sides sorry, I'm tongue-tied today, but it allows for a smoothing of the cuticle, and it just makes the chase method so much easier when you're doing your own hair. So I grab the hair with my double-sided boar bristle straightening brush, and then I chase the brush with my flat iron. Okay, and because I wanted to do some tousled curls today, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do a small Shirley Temple at the bottom. And you'll see me do that here. And there you have it. Cute little curl. I'm going to do it one more time just so you can see exactly what I did once again, in case you didn't get it that first time. But it's really, you know, easy when you have the right tools. It's plain and simple. So again, I'm sectioning out a small section of hair. I'm taking that section, I'm going to grab it with the double-sided brush, and notice that it is ventilated so that your hair is ventilated whenever you're straightening. So now I'm just going to, I first bump the roots a couple of times and then smooth down the hair, chasing the brush with the flat iron. And then that part is done. I only do one pass, and then I curl the hair. That is it. That is all you need. If you're doing more than that, you are doing way too much. Slow it down. You are going to mess up your natural curl pattern, and that ain't cool, especially when you're trying to go back to curly girl style in the winter or summertime, or whenever you do it. You're going to be upset. You're real upset when it won't go back. You know, you want it to revert so you can have those nice curls during that time. Now, that is the second curl. Cute, cute, cute. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and do the whole head, and we will be back. Boom. Everything is done. Yes, yes. Now we're just going to go and hit up them roots, girl. Got to get the roots. And I'm just going to take a little wax stick to do that. Push it up, not too far. So we're going to take the wax stick. We're going to lay down them roots. And after we do that, then we're going to hit it up with the flat iron one more time to make sure those roots is laid, girl. Gotta get them edges laid. Okay. Brushing through that wax, of course, because we don't want it to be too like clunky in one area. Boom shakalaka. Grabbing our flat iron, still on 410 degrees. The roots is the toughest area of our hair, so I didn't see any reason to lower the degree level. So we're just keeping it moving and whatnot, you know, whatnot. And making sure that everything is up to par, because that's what we deserve. Yes, that is what we deserve. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to style my hair as desired. This, of course, is up to the person. Now, for me, because I do have a bit of gray patch in the front, I was born with it. I'm going to color that gray patch. Now, this is not something that you have to do. This is just something that I do. So a little later on, I'm going to go ahead and cover that gray patch, and I choose to do it with a little bit of mascara. This is optional. Once again, you do not have to do this. If you don't have any gray hair, skip this step. Even if you do have gray hair, you do not have to use mascara. There are other products out there on the market. There are powders, there are sprays, and so on and so forth. Use what is best for you, what you like. I find that mascara is best for me because it dries down, and that essentially helps with less of a transfer. So sometimes I'll do a water resistant mascara, so there's less transfer because it is close to my scalp. So you see here that I'm still styling because that's what I do. Now right here, I'm actually going in with a little bit of hairspray, and this is just to hold my curls for as long as I possibly can hold them. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of shine spray. So I'm doing all of this prior to putting my mascara on my grays. And the reason for that is because the mascara is going to be one of the last steps. There I have the mascara, and I'm using the roller lash today. But I'm just going to grab my hair at the base, pulling it up while I place that mascara just where I need it to be. Going through, making sure to get just every little hair and wiping off wherever I made mistakes. Now I'm taking my rat tail comb. It's a double-sided rat tail comb, which I like because sometimes you don't want as big holes in your hair as I'm putting in today. But today I want my curls as big as possible. I don't want to flatten them any or at all. And so I'm going in with the larger prongs, if you will, or the larger side of that rat tail comb. And I am just styling it however I feel at the moment. And yeah, the best way to do that is just to kind of comb it backwards and then push it forward, as you see me doing there. And of course, I have to be super extra. I did not need all that. I was not going anywhere, like nowhere at all. But I'm so extra. I don't even know why. It's just, yeah, it's just. But as you can see, I am happy with the results. It is exactly how I wanted it to be. Well, this
bouncy,
is the final
and
look,
yeah, I'm
you guys.
excited.
I hope you guys enjoyed the hair tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know how much you liked it. Please share with your family and friends. This is a small channel, but we're trying to grow, so please help us out. And yeah, I actually like how it turned out. It's shiny, and I'm gonna enjoy this for the next 2 weeks that I have it in my hair. So yeah, and I just put on a little bit of foundation after I finished. I put on the Good Apple foundation from KVD. The glare from my lights, there it go. My color is tan 74 if you wanted to know. And then I also put a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and Chocolate on my brows. And now I'm just gonna try out this new blush that I got from Morphe. It's in a pan of 3. I'm gonna try out this one here called Provocative. And that's what it looks like. It's a blush trio. So I'm just gonna try that out with my my daughter's messing with my my divider in the background. So we just gonna have to work through it, you know. 2-year-olds do what they do, okay? So I'm gonna take my tapered highlighting brush. And the products will be below that I used. And I'm just gonna dip into it a little bit, tapped off that excess, and begin to build. And it looks, ooh, looks nice. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. Let's put a little more on. We're gonna tap, and then we're gonna blend out. I think I like that. And then we're gonna blend, 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 tap, 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 blend. Yeah, I kind of like that. Indeed I do. Indeed I do. Put a little more on. And there we have it. I like that. Put a little on my nose. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. So I just wanted some tousled curls / waves going on in my hair, so that's what we did. Hope you enjoyed it, boo. And my daughter, she's y'all gonna have to get used to it, okay? We went from just me to this dynamic twosome now, dynamic duo. Mwah, my baby.
Bye.
She's saying bye and trying to turn the camera off. Why you want to do that to them? Why you want to do that? She don't know. She don't know. I'm sorry, guys. She doesn't know what she does. Please forgive her. Mwah. Say bye, Duchess.
Bye, Daddy.
No, you're not supposed to tell yourself bye. You just say bye. Okay? Just say bye. Say bye, everybody. What are you doing? I'm being attacked, you guys. She's trying to hurt me. Oh my goodness, these children. Well, anyways, thanks for watching this video. And remember to always live lovely. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.